We'll guide you through how to use Asana Academy to enhance your productivity skills. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Asana website. Once you're there, look for the Resources tab at the top of the page and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Asana Academy. This will take you to the main Academy page where you can find a variety of courses designed to help you master different features of Asana. Scroll through the available courses and choose one that interests you. Click on the course title to get more details. You'll see an overview of what the course covers, the estimated time to complete it, and any prerequisites. Once you've decided on a course, click the Enroll button. You'll need to log in or create an Asana account if you haven't already. After enrolling, you can start the course at your own pace. The courses often include videos, quizzes, and practical tasks to help solidify your understanding. Don't hesitate to pause and replay sections if you need more time to grasp a concept. If you complete a course, you'll receive a certificate of completion which you can share with your team to showcase your new skills. Remember, the Academy is a fantastic resource for both beginners and experienced users, so take advantage of it to get the most out of Asana. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.